In today's business environment, speed and efficiency are crucial elements of every business's process. Therefore, choosing the right method for installing an operating system can have a significant impact on company's efficiency. Traditional installation from USB drive may be fast initially, but what about afterwards? You end up waiting for driver installations, which is time lost waiting. Now let's take a look at XDE or Express Deployment Environment. This solution not only saves time, but also ensures full functionality right from the installation process. Let's see how our technicians handle system installation using XDE. Unlike traditional USB drive installation, XDE not only speeds up the process but also provides automatic driver installation. Here are ready-to-use computers that have just undergone the installation process with XDE. All drivers have been installed during the installation phase, meaning they are ready for immediate use upon startup. This is the difference between XDE and traditional USB drive installation. While XDE prepares computers for work in the blink of an eye, the traditional method leaves you waiting a long time for drive installations.